In this example, I began drawing in the current drawing session. What I would like to do now is show you how to begin a new drawing. Going up to File, select New. AutoCAD requests a template to be used. By default, acad.dwt is our selection, and I will go with this one for now. Select Open, and I have a new drawing session. What I'd like to show you now is how to draw a circle, and I'd like to tie that in with the previous example and show you the three different methods. First, selecting Draw, going to Circle, and as you can see, the options related to the circle command shown in the cascading menu: center with a radius, center with a diameter, 2-point, 3-point, tangent, tangent, radius, and then 3 tangents. Typically we use center radius and at times center diameter. So I'm going to select center radius now. Command line indicates specify center point for the circle. I'm going to pick a point right here. Moving my cursor away, you can see the second point would specify the radius of the circle. And I simply click right here, and I've created my circle. Second way of doing this is to highlight or to select the circle icon. And as you become familiar with the icons, it's okay to place your cursor over all of them and wait for the command to show itself. Here we go, circle. I will select this icon. I will click on it. And as you can see at the command line, the same options are available to us. When I use the icon, by default it understands that I will be picking the center point and the radius. So I'm going to pick a point right here. Specify radius of the circle. As you can see, it's showing a value at the bottom of 6.9352. That is the radius of the previous circle we drew. And if I wanted the same radius, I would simply enter. But what I'm going to do is make a bigger circle here and pick. As you can see, the circle command varies from the line command because it terminates itself. I didn't have to use the enter key or right click and enter. This is the difference between the two commands, and you will slowly see how this works, and you're going to adapt to it. Finally, I'd like to show you the keyboard command. Circle has a keyboard shortcut, and that would be C, and I would use the enter key. Circle specifying the center point, I'm going to pick this point, and as you can see, it's asking me to specify the radius, and the previous radius was 10.9276. This time I want to give it an exact radius of, say, 9 units. So I type 9 and enter. And this is how we make exact drawings. And in the architectural community, we always need to be very exact with our measurements.